Highly intelligent people report emptiness more often than average. Not sadness, not depression, just a quiet void. Intelligence amplifies awareness. Awareness removes illusions. Illusions usually protect emotions. Smart minds see patterns too clearly. They predict outcomes early. Surprise disappears. Excitement fades faster. Meaning becomes harder to sustain. Intelligence questions everything. Even happiness feels suspicious. Joy gets analyzed instead of felt. Overthinking replaces immersion. Depth replaces intensity. Depth is heavy. Many intelligent people detach unconsciously. Detachment feels like control. Control feels like safety. Safety feels empty. The mind outruns the nervous system. Emotions lag behind thoughts. Life turns observational. Participation decreases. Emptiness is not a flaw. It is a side effect. Intelligence creates distance from raw experience. The cost of clarity is emotional fullness.